Hi, this is Jana here. Welcome back. Very nice to be here with you guys again. Today we're going to make something different from everything we have made. We're going to make a chili sauce. We're going to make a Chinese chili sauce from the Szechuan province, which is in the heart of China, and it's a region very well known for its Buddhist vegetarian cuisine, and it's well known for its particular taste of chilies. They have a very fragrant and very particular, they produce a very particular kind of chili, and this is one of my favorites. Although it's spicy and it's hot, it's very tasty, because sometimes we have chilies and chili sauces that they're only hot and they don't have a flavor, but this one is packed with flavors because there's a few more ingredients, and I'm going to show you guys how it's made. So stay tuned and come with me. Alright, here I have a package of Asian dried chilies, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to open it, of course, and then wash it thoroughly because they tend to be a little bit dusty. After you wash them, what I like to do is actually remove the seeds of a few of the chilies, if not all of them, because otherwise it's gonna get too spicy, I mean hot, like fire. You see? We're going to use only the chilies and we're going to discard the seeds. And we're going to hydrate it in water from 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then we add a little bit of water and we blend it through. We're going to form a paste out of it. You see? It looks pretty, doesn't it? And oh my god, it smells so raw and so pungent. Here I have 10 garlic cloves and about a thumb-sized knob of ginger, and we're going to fry them in a little bit of oil, but it's important that the oil covers the garlic and the ginger, and at the end you see why. First, we saute the garlic for about 3 minutes. We want the golden blonde color that you see forming around the edges. We don't want it brown. And once you see that happening, you throw the ginger. Then you mix it through for about 1 minute. All of that in very high flame. But one thing about Chinese cooking is that they cook it in very high flame, but they then stir it constantly so it doesn't burn. Now we add the chili paste and the same process. Keep stirring it, like thoroughly. Never stop stirring. Alright, it has been cooking for about 3 minutes and then I lowered the heat. And now I have just added a little bit of salt, sugar, a little bit of rice vinegar, soy sauce, and mix it through again. Every time you turn on the flame, you put it in a higher flame, you stir it and never stop stirring, because as I said before, it will prevent from burning. add a little bit of water if you want. I didn't because I have actually added the right amount of oil, so it didn't need water. But if you didn't add too much oil, then you can add a little bit of water. Keep stirring. If you prefer, you can cover it, lower the heat to low, and then let it simmer for about 5, 6, up to 10 minutes, but always keep an eye on it. And see, it's almost ready. Once you know it's ready, once you see the oil separating from the chili. In this case, mine is ready. And the Szechuan sauce is a mixture of those aromatics and spices. Once the Szechuan sauce is ready, you transfer it into a container, close the lid obviously, and keep it in the fridge for many months. Szechuan, Szechuan. Szechuan, Szechuan. So easy, isn't it? When I was living in New York, I made a tiny individual ones in a very nice package, those mini mason jars, and then I gave to my clients. They loved it because this is such a nice, cute, thoughtful gift, I think. Every time you make something and you give it to people, it's like this extra kind of caring factor, and I love it. And I told you it was easy, and it's like, again, it's so worth it. I hope you make it, and if you do, hashtag me on Instagram. I love when you guys do that, and make comments on the description box below. I love your comments, criticize, suggestions, and everything. I read them all. And this is it. Have a nice week, and I see you next time. Bye bye.